son's off today. Today's Monday. It's Martin Luther King. It's a legal holiday. But first I thought I only had one easy job. But now I booked up 4 jobs. Got to go to the bank first, and since the bank's closed, the landscapers are out doing a job. So I'll take you along with me today, and hopefully I'll be done maybe by 1 or 2. I don't know what's really ahead of me. Apparently, I know I got 1, 2, 3 small jobs and maybe 1 big stump. But we'll see how it goes. So hang around with me. Well, that's 1 down. I was in a flower bed, one of these. It dug up everything for me. All I gotta do is grind and left. So it took me 10 minutes to do the stump, but more time BSing with the owner. Job number 2. They didn't have a gate back here. They just put one in. I'll have to pull 1 wheel. We got 1 stump right there. I have to come through a back access to a neighborhood. No thing, easy day so far. We'll see what happens. So this will be job 2. Well, we're here at job number 3. This is what I call a 2-in-1 job. Let me show you what we're doing. These stumps right here, which like a 6-inch, and then a couple of 12ers. These are on the homeowner. They had some other lawn guy do this. That one there was taken out Saturday. It's a 5-foot oak. And hell, they wanted me to come out Saturday night. I said, nope. And they wanted me to come out Sunday. Nope. And here we are Monday. So job number 3, called 2-in-1. I'll be out of here less than an hour. And then we'll go to job number 4. And here we are, job number 4. The other job took me 28 minutes exactly. I timed myself. From the time I unloaded, time I did the basically 50-inch oak, plus those 3 other small ones, it was 28 minutes back on the trailer. So I had stopped at McDonald's, and yeah, no garbage, whatever. But it was just the cheap cheeseburger and the small fries. I'm being good. Not allowed to have anything with sugar in it. So anyway, so now I'm going in the backyard. In this one, I'll show you what we're doing. There's about 12 inches back there. So I got to drive over this little rough terrain, but the pool company opened up the fence for me, so easy peasy. I'll be in and out of here. Take me longer to drive up this rough terrain. The roots of putting a wall up, a footing wall up. So anyway, we're all done. I could do a couple more today, but I'm going to save them for my son because today's a holiday. I'm going to go home and do a couple maintenance things and work in the shop a little bit. I'm going to enjoy part of my holiday. It's 1 o'clock. All right, so it's been monetarily, it's been a great day. And I'll post this up for you and see you all later in YouTube land.